Bobby does not sleep well. Bobby has sleep apnea. Sleep apnea means Bobby snores. He snores too much. He snores too loudly. Bobby's snoring always wakes up his family. His family can't sleep well. They don't like Bobby's snoring. Bobby doesn't like his snoring. One night, the family is sleeping. It is 1 a.m. Bobby starts snoring. Bobby's wife wakes up. Bobby's daughter wakes up. Bobby sleeps. Bobby snores. Bobby's wife sees some light. She looks out the window. The roof is on fire. She wakes up Bobby. They go to their daughter. Bobby takes the family photo albums. Bobby's wife takes the dog. Bobby's daughter takes the cat. They run out of the house. The fire burns quickly. It is a big fire. The fire spreads. All the house is on fire. Firefighters arrive. It is too late. The fire is too big. Bobby's house is destroyed. Bobby's house is destroyed. But Bobby's family is okay. Bobby's snoring saves the day.